Well, we made it to the last slide for week 7. Last slide for week 7. That's good news. The other good news is week 8 is Student Success Week, so there are no new content and no classes. So if I don't see you on either of the next videos, have yourself a great Student Success Week. Don't forget that Friday night, October 23rd, that's this coming Friday, assignment 3 is due. You submit that and then you head out to Student Success Week. Here we go. Let's look at this one, a little more complicated. What we need to do to get rid of this is to do some more work and follow some BEDMAS. We need to get rid of the brackets, and to do that we're going to leave the 8x here. Okay, we need to use the distributive law. Okay, and that is going to be 2 times 12 and 2 times negative 2x. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times negative 2x, remember positive times a negative, that's negative 4x. All right, so now we got x's on both sides. Not good, not what we're looking for, right? We can use the same strategy we used with the simpler ones a few slides ago. If I add 4x to this side, I'm going to do that because negative 4x plus 4x is nothing. But then I do need to, and we'll rewrite this, I would then need to add 4x to this side, wouldn't I? So I would need to make this, well, we have the plus 4x, whoops, plus 4x to the 8x that was here, right? So now what we end up with, we added 4x to both sides. Why we did it? We wanted to get rid of that there. 8x plus 4x is 12x. On this side we have 24, and then that's 0, so we don't have anything else. Now we have 12x equals 24. That gives us the little wee equation that we were doing a couple of slides ago. I'm going to divide by 12 because that gives me 1x. I'm going to divide this by 12 as well. When I do that, 12 divided by 12 is 1. I have 1x, or as us these mathematicians say, x. And 24 divided by 12 is 2, right? So x equals 2 is my answer. Now, I don't know if I'm right, right? I mean, I did the work. I can't jam it all into my calculator because I've got variables here, so I can't just use the calculator. I actually have to work through the steps. How do I know am I right? Well, here's how you know. You go over here, you take your calculator, and you put 2 in. You say, well, you got 8 times 2, because what we're saying is x is 2, right? X is 2. So 8 times 2 equals 2. 12 minus 2 times 2. So what you'll see I've done, and I got a lot of colors here, but where the x's were, I put in 2. And then we're going to work it out and see if the left side equals the right side. We're going to see if that's true. So 8 times 2 is 16, so that side is 16. I'm a little jammed here. Let me go to this side. It's my better side. And here, well, BEDMAS says we got to do in the brackets first. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So now I have 16 on this side, and I have 2 times 8, 16 on this side, 16 on that side. And it doesn't matter that they're 16. What matters is that they're both the same. And since they're both the same, you have proven that your answer is correct. All right? If I don't see you on the next slide, have yourself a great rest of the week. Otherwise, if I do see you for the next one, we'll see you in 30 seconds.